Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about electron affinity or electron gain and enthalpy. Now the energy released when an electron is added to the neutral gaseous atoms is called electron affinity. Electron added, then the first electron affinity is positive, then after that one electron added, then in this case electron affinity is negative because one electron added, after that negative, due to negative charge, if you want to another electron added to the isolated gaseous atoms, then we provide the energy so that first electron affinity is positive but the second electron affinity is negative. The magnitude of this is also greater than the first electron affinity. If the third electron added, then the third electron affinity is also negative, so that sum of the first electron affinity and second electron affinity is equal to the negative value, that is less than 0, and after that we study about the factor on which electron affinity depends. Then after we discuss the electron affinity on the periodic tables, period and groups. Now electron affinity and electron gain enthalpy. Here electron gain enthalpy, the energy released when an electron is added to a neutral isolated gaseous atom. Let us suppose that this is the isolated gaseous atoms, means these atoms, that is in a gas form. As you know that in solid state we cannot get the isolated atoms, so that in the gaseous state isolated matlab one atoms, and neutral means atom is also neutral because number of electron is equal to number of proton in that cases, so that here the energy निकलता when an electron added. Let us suppose that this is the electron, and when this is added to this, in this case energy released, and this energy is known as electron affinity. यूनिट जो यूनिट है इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट पर एटम, इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट पर एटम। वन एटम के लिए इफ यू टेक मोल देन किलो जूल पर मोल। नाउ generally first electron additions, if you added to first electron addition in an isolated gaseous atom is an exothermic process. In this case energy release so that it is exothermic process. So that it is a exothermic process. It means that जब हम इलेक्ट्रॉन को जो है एटम को फाउल करते हैं, एटम में के ऑर्बिट में इलेक्ट्रॉन जाता है, उस परिस्थिति में जो एनर्जी निकलता है उसी एनर्जी को इलेक्ट्रॉन इनफाइनाइटी कहते हैं। और इस केस में ऊर्जा निकलता है, एनर्जी निकलती है, इसलिए इस प्रोसेस को एक्सोथर्मिक कहते हैं। लेकिन इन सेकेंड इलेक्ट्रॉन एडिशंस, दिस इज द फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन, आफ्टर दैट इफ सेकेंड इलेक्ट्रॉन एडिशन ऑन एन आइसोलेटेड गैसियस एटम इज ऑलवेज एन एंडोथर्मिक। इन दिस केस एंडोथर्मिक प्रोसेस due to inter-electronic repulsion. Now, if one electron added, then the negative excess of negative charge with another electrons, so that there creates repulsion force, and due to repulsion force, we applied the energy. यानी ऊर्जा हम अलग से देते हैं, उसके बाद से जो है इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट करता है। इस परिस्थिति को, इस तरह के प्रोसेस को हम एंडोथर्मिक कहते हैं। यानी एनर्जी जो है अलग से प्रोवाइड करना पड़ता है, उस तब जाकर के जो है इलेक्ट्रॉन या एटम एक्सेप्ट करता है। इसलिए सेकेंड इलेक्ट्रॉन इनफाइनाइटी निगेटिव होता है और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पॉलीनेगेटिव एनायन लाइक O-2, N-3, C-4 etc is always an endothermic process. इसको एंडोथर्मिक प्रोसेस इसलिए कहते हैं कि जब फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड होता है तो उस परिस्थिति में जो एनर्जी निकलती है, उसके बाद से सेकेंड इलेक्ट्रॉन को ऐड करने के लिए ड्यू टू रिपल्शन अलग से एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करना पड़ता है, और उसका जो मैग्नीट्यूड होता है वह फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन इनफाइनाइटी से अधिक होता है। इसलिए अधिक निगेटिव ऊर्जा होता है। इसलिए इस प्रोसेस में निगेटिव ऊर्जा टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन इनफाइनाइटी फर्स्ट यानी इलेक्ट्रॉन इनफाइनाइटी सेकंड, दोनों का जब सम लेते हैं तो सम जो है निगेटिव होता है। इसलिए पॉलीनेगेटिव एनायन लाइक दिस केस, दैट प्रोसेस इज known as endothermic process. Now we take one example here. Now, for example, let us suppose that A is a gaseous neutral isolated atoms and added one electron to form the anion. Let in this case 10 electron volt per atom release energy here. As you know that if electron added to the gaseous isolated neutral atoms, the energy released, that energy is known as electron affinity. Let us suppose that 10 electron volt per atom, in this case energy release. Now Here, electron gain enthalpy is defined as electron gain enthalpy in this case electron gain enthalpy is defined as minus of electron affinity. It defined as electron affinity. It means that for these reactions delta H, the electron gain enthalpy is equal to minus of this 10 electron volt per atom. As we change the sign of this is a electron gain enthalpy. Now successive energy successive electron affinity in this case now successive electron affinity here. Let us suppose that A is the gaseous isolated neutral atoms and we added 2 electron here, form anion and energy release that is known as first electron affinity. First electron affinity, that is energy release, that is known as first electron affinity. In this case, now we also added 1 electron here. Now we also added 1 electron here, then it forms a 2 minus in this case electron affinity is EA2. Second electron affinity. Now in this case electron is added, then energy release, that energy is a positive value, so that if 1 electron added to this, then further we added 1 electron due to repulsion. Electrons don't attach easily, so that we supply the energy for adding the electrons. In this case, electron affinity negative value, and the magnitude of this is greater than this, so that sum of first electron affinity and second electron affinity is negative, and this is less than 0. If one electron also added, this is, in this case, third electron affinity and value is also negative. Value of this is negative, and this is positive. If we take sum of these two, then that is negative, and if sum of these three, that is also negative. Now, sometimes some problems are asked in the JEE Main and NEETs like this. Now note EA1, EA2, EA3, first electron affinity, second electron affinity, third electron affinity are called the successive electron affinity. Now, this topic is important. First electron affinity is positive value due to release of energy. As you know that if we added electron to the gaseous isolated atoms, that release electrons, release energy, that energy is known as electron affinity. Whereas EA2, EA3, EA4, second electron affinity, third electron affinity, fourth electron affinity are the negative value due to provided energy from the out source. And noble gas don't receive electron due to stable electronic configuration, so that its electron affinity are 0 are very small. Now here two problems on the successive energy. If M plus 2 electron equal to minus 2 charge, then sum of first electron affinity and second electron affinity will be less than 0, greater than 0, equal to 0, and depend upon the nature of element. Such type of problems asked in the generally NEET and JEE Mains. Here now solutions. Here in this case M plus added electron, this is M minus, and in this case energy release A1, first electron affinity, this is a positive value, and M also attach one electron. This convert M minus 2. This is, in this case, second electron affinity, negative value, but the magnitude of this negative is greater than this, it can be also written as here m sum of this and this cancel, and 2 electron, this and this cancel here, and this reaction is this, so that its positive and its negative value, but its positive value magnitude of this is less than the magnitude of this, so that sum of these, first electron affinity plus second electron affinity is negative value, so that sum of this and this will be less than 0. Less than 0. Answer will be first in this case, but second question in this case, this is the first electron gain enthalpy, first electron gain enthalpy, and this is second electron gain enthalpy. As we define this first gain enthalpy, this is a negative of electron affinity, so that in this case this is this, but in enthalpy case this will be negative and this will be positive, because as you know that delta H Eg in electron gain enthalpy is equal to minus of electron affinity, just reverse. Then this is a less than 0, so that this will be delta Heg first plus delta Heg second. This is less than 0, this is greater than 0. Answer will be what? Second. Such type of questions are found in NEET and JEE Main. Next we take example here. Now here third problem is 3n plus 3 electron added to 3 ions, nitrogen ions, plus delta H, where delta H is heat of reactions, so that delta H will be less than 0, greater than 0, n equal to 0. Here delta H in this case solution of this reaction nitrogen plus added one electron, this form n minus now again n plus one electron, this form n 2 minus, if n 2 minus added one electron, this is n 3 minus. If you added this and this cancel, this and this cancel, so that n plus 3e 3 electron, arrow this cancel, this cancel, this n, and this is this reactions that are given. In this case, first electron affinity, in this case second electron affinity, this case third electron affinity. This is a positive value, this is negative value, this is also negative value, but as you know that magnitude of this and this is also greater than this is also greater than this, then the sum of this is negative, and we added to this sum of this is also negative, that is less than 0, so that delta H, that is a electron affinity, first electron affinity, second electron affinity, and third electron affinity. This is less than 0, this is also less than 0, delta H will be less than delta H. Here in this case in this case E a electron affinity less than 0, and if electron affinity less than 0, then we know that delta H will be greater than 0, because electron gain enthalpy is equal to the negative sign of delta. Electron gain enthalpy will be equal to minus of electron affinity, and due to this delta H is greater than 0, answer will be second, greater than 0, delta H greater than 0. As you know that sum of one note here, sum of successive successive electron affinity sum of successive electron affinity is always less than 0, is always less than 0, so that total heat will be greater than 0. Now we study about the factor on which electron affinity depends. Now like and subscribe videos and share with your friends, and here factors affecting on which electron affinity. To study about this in next videos. Thank you.